In presence of oxygen, aerobic bacteria decomposes the pollutant present in water. BOD is the oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand. BOD is the biochemical oxygen demand. BOD is the biochemical oxygen demand. That means the aerobic bacteria requires oxygen, O2. Aerobic bacteria require O2 to decompose the pollutant which are present in impure water. BOD is more for impure water. That means कि BOD is directly proportional to the impurity present in water or directly proportional to the pollutant or amount of pollutant. If the amount of pollutant is more, that means in that case BOD will be more. BOD is the biochemical oxygen demand that will be required by bacteria to decompose the pollutant in the presence of oxygen. BOD for pure water has a BOD of pure water is almost 5 ppm. ppm is part per million. Okay. More than this will cause the impurity in the water. Okay. And in the cold water the BOD can be only, means the oxygen can be 10%, 10 ppm only. Okay. And pure water, and that means in cold situation oxygen concentration can be only 10 ppm. Okay. And BOD of pure water can vary up to 10 ppm. Okay. In the first sample the BOD is 4 ppm, means BOD below 5 ppm will show the water is pure, and the BOD over 5 ppm will show the water is impure. In the second sample the BOD is 18 ppm. That means कि this is impure water or polluted water, and 4 ppm that means कि pure water. Okay. The first sample is pure and second sample is impure. So we have option like both are highly polluted, that means this is incorrect option. Both are clean, no, this is incorrect option. First sample is clean and the second is highly polluted. Okay, so the right answer is C.